Hello? I think we're going for edible. Ah, shit. Hey there, buds. Aaron here. Welcome back to Good Enough, eh? Today, we're gonna be cooking some food. Now, if there's anything we Canadians love after hockey practice, it's coffee, protein, and beer. So today, we're gonna take all those three beautiful things and we're gonna shove them together into something that maybe shouldn't be shown on the internet. So, here in Canada, we worship our benevolent overlord, Tim Horton. So make sure you got your Timmy hose next to you while we do some cooking. Alright, so, first up, we're gonna make a meat rub. Because we're from Canada, we're gonna start with some coffee, paprika, onion and garlic powder. Oh no, sorry about that, counter, made a mess. Some salt, some cumin, some cayenne pepper, and last but not least, some brown sugar. Oh geez, this is gonna make a lot more than I thought it was. Sorry. Take that and set that aside for later, eh? So now we're gonna get to the protein side of our post-hockey food. Okay there, buds. So, this here's a whole chicken. If you've ever been to Swiss Chalet, a famous Canadian restaurant, you'd know that their chicken is just kind of mediocre. So, we're gonna do our best here to make sure that it's better than Swiss Chalet, eh? Just give your bird a little kiss of olive oil. Mwah. Okay there, bud. So the olive oil there was just so that we could get our coffee meat rub there to stick. Just take this here, put it over there on that there. You see that? Alrighty, eh? Don't forget the chicken's cavity. Okay, bud. So now we have to introduce the third staple of a quality Canadian post-hockey meal. Beer! And of course, you get the one with the moose on it because A, lager works really well in this recipe, and 2, Moose Canada, eh? Sorry, I still don't like beer. You only need a third of the can, so drink 2/3 of it, or give it to somebody else to drink, or I suppose you could pour it out. Okay there, bud, so once you only got a third of your beer left, maybe you cracked it open in the backyard with some of your boys. We're gonna take this here beer can, plunk her down right in the middle of your baking sheet, and then proudly display this chicken on top of her there, alright? Okay? Might take a little bit of doing. There we go. So as you can see, our chicken's happily sitting on top of that there beer can there. Get some rub and make sure that the whole thing is covered because you might have gotten some spots while you were sitting her up there. Okay, bud. So now you got your chicken proudly atop your beer can. You're ready to cook her up. Hope you're not super hungry because it's got to go into the kitchen. No, not the kitchen. Ha! It's already in the kitchen there, bud. It's got to go into the oven at 400 degrees for an hour and 10 minutes. Otherwise, you'll be getting salmonella from it. It doesn't fit in my oven. Gotta get creative now, eh? Okay, there you go, sport. Right in there. Bird's in there, ready to go. Can't smell it yet, but it's gonna be making the whole house smell great. While you're waiting, you can do some dishes. You can watch the game. You can drink your Tim Hortons. I'll see you in a bit. Oh, hey there, bud. So, unfortunately, you didn't get to see me take her out of the oven there because it was flattering and splurting and I was right frightened. But here's the bird. Looks pretty to me. It's a little bit dark, but I think that's just because it was super high in the oven and really close to the top burner there. I don't really know how to get it off here, though. This is how Canadians perform surgery, eh? Aha! We did it! Don't drink what's left in this can, eh? It's pretty gross. Alright, sport, so what's your favorite part of the bird, eh? The dark or the light meat? I'm gonna cut into the dark meat because I want to make sure it's cooked. Oh yeah. Oh, that's nice. Yep, that's good. We're not gonna eat the dark meat for the camera. No. For anybody who's ever cooked a chicken, they know that the chef's treat is the wing. Let me get this bad boy right here, eh? Oh, it just pulls off. Don't forget the skin. If you don't like chicken skin, you're not welcome for dinner at my house. Cheers. Oh, alrighty, eh? Alright, Bob. There's some good chicken, eh? Anyway, I'm gonna use the rest of this chicken for my meal prep for the week. You should do this. Have some friggin' good chicken. Follow me on Instagram at Aaron's Bakery to see more food. And in 2 weeks, I don't know who will be here. Maybe there'll be a new character. Maybe there'll be somebody you've already seen. I don't know. I just kind of go with the flow. But you take care of yourself, all right? It's going to start snowing soon. And make sure you get out there early with your snowblower to show up the neighbors, eh? Have a good one.